The Recon 2000 comes with a dedicated mobility cart. It has a telescoping handle, built-in suspension, and large wheels. Should you choose to want to remove the cart, it can be done so easily. The only tools you need are a Phillips head screwdriver and a 6mm Allen wrench. The first step in removing the cart from the Recon 2000 is to undo the screws that attach the telescoping handle to the back. After doing so, you will want to roll the Recon 2000 onto its back and undo the 16 Allen screws attached to the bottom. In order to replace the cart, you are going to bring the cart up to and put it in place on the Recon 2000. After tightening all 16 Allen key screws, you'll want to flip it up onto its feet and tighten the 4 screws on the telescoping handle on the back. If for some reason your cart or telescoping handle is broken, we have replacement carts available. Please email us at support@darkenergy.com or fill out the form on our website. Another reason you may want to remove the cart is just for better, lighter storage. You can do so and it will make the Recon 2000 smaller for permanent storage or to better fit in the back of a vehicle. The Recon 2000 and the mobility cart that comes attached will allow you to take power with you wherever you may need it. If you have any further questions, please email us at support@darkenergy.com.